Hey guys, what's up? It's Selyna. Excuse me, I'm right here. Oh, you're looking at this awesome pin. Well, no worries about it because today I will show you guys how to make this cute little pin out of air dry clay. So let's get straight to the video. The materials I used are— Oh, wait. Did you just forget about my intro? So the materials I'm using are air dry clay from Crayola, Mod Podge to seal the clay later on, tie tack pins, and acrylic paint to color them. So first, I sketch out ideas or forms that I would like to make. I also colored them to see how it would look like, but obviously it's going to be different in the actual product. This is actually my first time using air dry clay and it was a learning process. First mistake I made was using chopsticks. I didn't have any popsicle sticks, so I thought maybe chopsticks would do the trick, but it didn't. So instead, I used my pencils, which were flat and thick enough to give a somehow decent thickness to the clay. Second mistake I made was using my water bottle as a rolling pin. The clay ended up sticking so much on the bottle, which was getting annoying. I think the clay was too wet. That's what she said. So yeah, maybe leave it for like a minute before you start pressing on it, but I'm pretty sure the water bottle should have been fine. So I guess this is better for you. Now that you see me screw up, you're not gonna have to do it yourself. To outline the form, I used toothpick and my palette knife to cut them. I've been planning to do this for a while now, but because of some circumstances, I wasn't able to, and now I'm just really happy that I'm actually making them. I've been into clay lately, not just pins, but I'm also working on a project that I would say or call my own art. Anyway, here I spray them a little bit of water to smoothen the surface and sides, and to have a cleaner look, I also use my palette knife to smoothen the sides. I swear this palette knife just helps me do anything. It took 5 seasons of Peaky Blinders, or 3 days in real time, for the clay to fully dry. Here I am aggressively throwing them to show you that they're dry and ready to be painted. I love how cute they are, and the chalk white color looks really nice. Too bad I have to paint them over. I didn't prime them or anything because the clay is already white and I think it wouldn't really affect the color if I did. So while painting them, obviously I was listening to Butter. I had it on repeat, even the instrumental version and the cooler version, obviously. I really like the vibe of the song. It gives me so much energy. What about you? What do you think of the song? I wouldn't call myself an ARMY yet, because I don't think I deserve it. I haven't really binge-watched their interviews or listened to all their songs, like my sisters, but I do really like their music and their dance moves. As an artist, they are an inspiration to work really hard and just be doing what you love. The very first song that made me listen to them is their song called On. When I saw their dance performance on Jimmy Fallon, I think, it gave me goosebumps. Like every time I watch it till now, I still get goosebumps. They're just really talented and amazing, and I wish I'm as talented as them. Anyways, here I'm just making sure I paint the entire clay. I didn't want to leave any spot. It took maybe 3 hours for the acrylic paint to fully dry. I also added a few details from the sketch I made earlier. This is why I highly recommend making a sketch so that you would know what result or outcome you're expecting. I really like how it turned out. I love the color yellow. I would say the most difficult part was painting their logo because I didn't want to screw it up and I want to give justice to it, so hopefully I did. Once I was done painting, I decided to leave it for a night. The next day I covered it with Mod Podge to seal it. You want to make sure you cover the entire thing so it is protected. It will help your clay pin last longer and refrain the paint from falling off. I did 3 layers of the sealant just to be safe. I also put them in a plastic surface because I didn't want them to stick in a paper while drying. Now for the last part, I used my extra thick glue. I use this for my scaled model projects, and I highly recommend the super glue if you're looking for something that will keep your significant other next to you. So here is the finished product. I like how shiny and cute it is. I'm really so happy that I also made a few other designs. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please do follow my art Instagram account. I will be posting photos and updates and some very exciting announcements soon. I can't wait to share this with you guys. I've been really working hard on this one. I'm just really excited. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!